All right, on your prompt today, it says write about a person or character who is or was courageous. Explain that person or character, or explain why that person or character is a model of courage. So what I want you to do is you're going to have a couple more slots. And on this slide here, I want you to tell me all about your character. You could insert some pictures, you could write words, anything you want to say about your character. The next slide, I want you to tell me about them being courageous. So you can insert a text box by going here, text box. I'll just go ahead and put it there for you. I'm going to insert a text box here, but you can still put pictures if you choose to. Okay, so I know about my character. I know what makes them courageous because I'm going to think about that and explain why that person or character is a model of courage. So I also need another slide that tells me how they're a model of courage. So the reason we're doing it this way is to really break down my planning. If you want to write a paragraph about each of these things and then later on all you have to do is put it all together, that is fine. But we are really focusing on planning out my story so that I have enough to talk about.